Hey, let's spend a couple minutes talking about the new RCWs banning magazines in Washington. As we are aware, engrossed substitute Senate Bill 5078 was passed in March of 2022 in the 11th hour of the legislative session, which banned all magazines in Washington state which hold more than 10 rounds. Now, the ban is not an outright ban, but pretty close. What the statute actually does is prohibit the commercial sale or purchase of any, as the state calls large capacity magazines, we are going to call them standard capacity magazines. The statute, which is now found in RCW 9.41.370, a new statute to the RCW, specifically states, no person in this state may manufacture, import, distribute, sell, or offer for sale any large capacity magazine except as authorized in this section. So as you can see from the statute, what is actually prohibited by 941-370 is the manufacture, import, distribution, sale, or offer for sale of any large capacity magazine. Now there are three exceptions in 941-370. They are, of course, if you're selling to the military, if you're selling to law enforcement from FFLs, or the final one is an FFL comes into lawful possession of a high-capacity magazine. They are permitted to sell them to a person outside the state of Washington. Now, in addition to 941-370, the state of Washington also gives you 941-375, which prohibits the commercial sale or advertising of commercial sale of large capacity magazines. That statute specifically states, distributing, selling, offering for sale, or facilitating the sale, distribution, or transfer of large capacity magazine online is an unfair or deceptive act or practice or unfair method of competition in the conduct of trade or commerce for purpose of the Consumer Protection Act, Chapter 19.86 of the RCW. So yes, it would be unlawful to offer for sale online on Gunbroker or something like that to anybody in the state of Washington a large capacity magazine. So once again, the statutes are RCW 9.41.370 and 9.41.375. You may have many other questions about Washington's magazine ban, and we have a litany of videos available. Go ahead and check them out. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you have been watching Bullet Points.